Hello guys, welcome to Techno Fiction, and the last unit in formulas and validation model is create validation rules. So in this hands-on challenge, we have to create a validation rule to check that a contact is in the zip code of its account. So to do this challenge, just launch your playground and go to setup, and in setup, click the object manager tab and find the contact object. Select the contact object, and in that select the validation rules and click the new button. Name it as contact must be in account zip code as it is given here, and next we have to give the condition formula, and the condition is a contact with a mailing postal code that has an account and does not match the associated account, that is shipping postal code, and should return with a validation error and be saved. So the validation rule should only apply to contact records with an associated account. Contact records with no associated parent account can be added with any mailing postal code value. So we can use for that is blank function. So this is the hint given there, and for the formula just click the AND operator. Next choose the NOT operator, and now click the is blank function, and in insert field click the account ID and click insert. Next give comma here, and in insert field see the mailing postal code and click it and click insert. And in insert operator you can see not equal, click that, and in insert field click shipping postal code. Shipping postal code is in the account, so click that. It comes as account.shipping postal code because it is inside the account. Now check the syntax. There is no errors found, and we have to give an error message. Type it as zip codes do not match. And click save. So we have created the validation rule. Now let's check it. Yeah, we have completed our module. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe.